everyone.
Hi everyone.
Today,
Today
we're cooking meatloaf.
we can meatloaf.
We got our meat.
We got meat.
We got our chopped onion.
We got chocolate.
We got our egg.
We got egg.
We got our breadcrumbs.
We got breadcrumbs.
We got our mustard.
We got mustard.
We got ketchup
Ketchup
and brown sugar.
and black sugar.
So first, we're going to put the meat
Put meat
in the mixing bowl.
in this bowl.
You can do it. All right. Okay. That's going to go in the trash.
Yes.
Okay. Say next.
Next.
We're going to add our breadcrumbs.
Egg first.
No, breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
So we're going to add about a half cup of breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Now we're going to add our egg.
We got egg.
Oh, and she tried to crack it with her elbow.
No.
Hold on.
Dad, you splashed my egg.
Hopefully there's no shells in there. Dad had technical difficulties with the egg, but we got it and no eggshells.
No eggshells.
So now we add our onions.
Hang on.
Go ahead. Okay. And now we're going to mix it.
And we mix it.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh. Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we're adding a little bit of salt before we mix it more. And now we're adding pepper. And now we're mixing it some more.
Mix it some more.
Daddy needs to invest in a food processor so it's easier.
It's easier.
So now we're going to put our meatloaf in the loaf pan. So now we're flattening our meatloaf in the meatloaf pan. Okay. And now we're going to make our sauce. First, we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of mustard.
Mustard.
Put it in.
Okay.
Good job. 2 tablespoons of mustard. Good job, baby. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And 1 more tablespoon of brown sugar.
Maya do it.
Maya do it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. There you go.
Okay.
Don't make a mess.
I know.
Okay, go ahead, put it in. Good job, baby. And now we add 1/3 cup ketchup.
It's doing it. Oh, it's
And now we mix our sauce.
yeah.
Almost done?
Yeah. I always say.
Say, don't forget to preheat the oven to 325, Dad. And now we put the sauce on the meatloaf. Go ahead. Get it out. Get it out with the spoon. Say we spread the sauce evenly over the meatloaf.
Yeah.
Say the oven's at 325.
10
And Daddy's going to put the meatloaf in because it's hot.
Yeah. I'm so hot. Are you okay?
Say see you in an hour.
See you hour.
And that's Cooking with Maya. See you guys later.
You guys will
Please subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.